So a couple of days back, I received a call from a freight forwarding company asking if they could make a delivery to the studio. Now, I usually say no to strangers because my parents raised me well. But when they said it was a parcel coming in from Ennepetal, Germany, I replied, yes please, knowing well that the Bilstein headquarters is based in that city. I was sort of expecting a small parcel with maybe a t-shirt or keychain or some stickers, like a care package, but, well, let me show you. It really is this heavy. This is not a small care package. What I received is a pretty massive box. I have absolutely no idea what's inside, super excited. So if you'd like to join me as I unbox this for the first time to check out what's inside, grab a coffee or tea, let's go. In a follow-up text I got from my good buddy James, who is basically the representative for Bilstein in this part of the world, these items are part of the brand's point of purchase marketing campaign for workshops, dealers, and partners, designed to further elevate Bilstein's already well-recognized and respected position in the market. Now, obviously, there are lots of goodies in this massive care package. I think my personal favorite would be this tin sign and very special story, this BMW Alpina. I hope I don't mispronounce his name, driven by legendary German race driver Hans Joachim Stuck, and who was a Formula One driver for Germany as well as a touring and endurance race driver. This is the BMW 2002, and I believe this was him driving the number 32 car at the 1970 or 1971 Nürburgring Nordschleife 24-hour endurance race, and I think he was 19 years old at that time, and he won. Obviously, part of the reason why he was able to drive well was not just because he had the genetics, because his father was also a legendary German race driver, but also because that car was equipped with Bilstein shock absorbers. So, hey, that's the home of Bilstein, the Nordschleife. The other thing that I really love, and I'm super excited about setting it up, is this neon sign, this Bilstein neon sign. I think it looks really, really cool. So this is definitely going up somewhere in the studio. We also have a huge Bilstein flag, floor mat, and open-closed sign, which we may not put up in the studio because we don't actually have any visitors here. There are also these brochures that are really, really cool, really well printed, and it gives you an overview of what the company is all about, some of the products that they do manufacture, their identity, and the philosophy of the company, what kind of motorsport events that they are involved in, and there are also a brief introduction to some of the products that they sell, including high-end stuff like the Bilstein B16 or their Evo series, or their off-road shock absorbers like the B8 8100s, and just really detailed information in this little brochure. So like the aspiration of Bilstein, always one step ahead with pioneering innovations, premium quality with unrivaled product range, and expertise from OE production. So that's just a brochure for, I guess, visitors. We don't get much visitors here at the studio. In fact, we don't get any visitors here at the studio, but I will be giving these out to not just my friends, but also to the workshops that we partner with. Huge shout out to Bilstein for including me in this branding exercise. I'm going to be redecorating the studio and the office here sometime soon. Thank you for joining me. Take care.